Ever wondered why a tiny apple seed doesn't sprout when simply tucked into the soil, while a sunflower seed does? Why do some seeds need a cold treatment or stratification, while others need a good soak in a water and hydrogen peroxide solution before they even consider germinating? The answer lies in the unique survival strategies of plants. Every seed carries within it the blueprint of a plant, waiting to burst forth when conditions are just right. But not all seeds are alike. Some seeds need to be frozen or stratified before they will germinate. This process mimics the natural cycle of winter, signaling to the seed that it's time to wake up and start growing. Apple seeds, for instance, require a period of cold stratification to break dormancy. The seeds are usually kept in a moist medium like sand or peat moss and refrigerated for a period ranging from a few weeks to a few months. This process tricks the seed into thinking it has gone through winter and it's now time to sprout with the advent of spring. Then there are seeds that need a little help breaking through their hard outer shell. That's where soaking in a weak water and hydrogen peroxide solution comes in. This method is particularly effective for seeds with a hard, impermeable seed coat that water struggles to penetrate, like morning glory seeds. The solution softens the seed coat, making it easier for the seed to absorb water and start the germination process. Hydrogen peroxide also aids in fighting off any fungal diseases that might be lurking on the seed's surface, giving it a healthy start. Lastly, there are seeds that need no special treatment at all. They're ready to grow as soon as they hit the soil. For example, sunflower seeds, beans, peas, and corn are planted directly in the ground. They are large, robust seeds with a soft outer shell, allowing them to absorb water easily and start germinating without the need for any special treatment. So to sum it up, seeds are not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. They have evolved different strategies to ensure their survival and propagation. Some, like apple seeds, need to feel the chill of winter before they're ready to sprout. Others, like morning glory seeds, need a little help breaking through their hard shells, which is where a soak in a water and hydrogen peroxide solution comes in handy. Then there are seeds like sunflowers that are ready to grow as soon as they're in the ground. Onions and garlic are typically planted late in the year, prior to the first frost. It's important to plant them deep, about 2 to 3 inches, so that they are protected from the frost and ready to wake up when they feel the earth warming up. A light layer of mulch, such as chopped straw, will add an additional bit of protection. When spring rolls around, the onions and garlic will begin to pop out of the ground all on their own. There is no need to remove the mulch, as it will serve to keep weeds, downs, and moisture in. Understanding these different methods and why they're used can help us become more successful gardeners, able to coax life from the tiniest of seeds. Because in the end, isn't that the real magic of gardening? The ability to create life, to watch a tiny seed grow into a towering plant. It's a process filled with wonder and delight, a testament to the resilience and diversity of nature. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, remember, every seed has its own story, and it's our job to help it tell that story in the best way possible.